Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on area under the curve. Let us start with problem number 9. Find the area of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 36 using integration. As you can see, the equation x square plus y square is equal to 36 represents standard form of the circle. So let us draw this circle taking its center at the origin, and on the right hand side you can see we have 36. It means the value of r square is 36. So the value of radius will be 6 units. So we have drawn the circle x square plus y square is equal to 36 where radius will be 6. Since the radius is 6, here we have 6, 0, 0, 6, minus 6, 0 and 0, minus 6. Now to find the area of the circle, we can consider the area which is formed by the circle in first quadrant, that is 1/4 circle. As you can see, this area is formed under the curve with respect to x-axis. So we can use the formula integral y dx, and the limits of x will be from 0 to 6. Also, the value of y can be obtained from the given equation x square plus y square is equal to 36. Y square will become 36 minus x square. Therefore, on taking square root, the value of y will be under root 36 minus x square. That can be also written as under root of 6 square minus x square. So first we will find this area and then multiply it by 4 in order to get the area of entire circle, as there are 4 equal parts. Therefore area of circle will be 4 into integral y dx. That will give you 4 into limits of x are 0 to 6. Value of y is under root 6 square minus x square dx. To find the integration of this expression, we can compare it with integral under root a square minus x square, which will give you x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Here the value of a is 6. Now let us substitute the upper and the lower limits. After substitution, you can see the first part will become 0, that is 6 square minus 6 square. We have sin inverse 6 upon 6, that is 1. Sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2, and pi by 2 into 6 square upon 2. We have 4. 6 square upon 2, that is 36 upon 2 into pi by 2. In the second part, both will be 0, as sin inverse of 0 is 0, and here 0 upon 2 will give you 0. 2 into 2 will give you 4, and that 4 will be cancelled. So the remaining part will be 36 pi square units. This is the area of the circle. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.